Secretary, Department of Fisheries, Government of India Dr. Abhilekh Shlikhi visited ICAR Central Land Fisheries Research Institute, CIFRI, Kolkata today for reviewing the Institute research and development in drone application for fisheries management. Scientists, state fisheries official, fishermen and fisherwomen attended the event. During presentation, senior officers from Fisheries Department from states, Ministry of Civil Aviation, NAFED, NCDC, NERMARC, SFAC, retailers, startups, fisheries subordinate officers, state government officials, FFPOs, cooperatives etc. are invited to join through virtual conference. A drone flying over a group of people description automatically generated during the drone demonstration. Dr. Abhilekh Shlikhi actively interacted with the fish farmers and fishers, listening to their experiences, success stories and the challenges they face in their daily operations. This interaction provided valuable insights into how modern technology, like drones, can address their needs, improve efficiency, and enhance productivity in the fisheries sector, while also offering a platform for them to voice their aspirations and concerns. A group of people standing around a drone description automatically generated speaking on the occasion. The secretary said that pilot project undertaken by ICAR-CIFRI will open new horizon in fisheries section by providing an effective and promising alternative for transporting fresh fish with less time and minimum human involvement while minimizing stress to the fish. The research and development on fish transportation using drone technology with private partnership would also enable consumers and farmers to have better hygienic fresh fish in the supply chain system. He added. Dr. Likhi said that Pradhan Mantri Matsya Samriddhi Sahi Yojana, PMMKSSY, with an outlay of 6,000 crore rupees was approved in February 2024, which aims to support formalization of the unorganized fisheries sector by creating a National Fisheries Digital Platform, NFDP, for providing work-based identifiers. Fish farmers, fish vendors including the fisheries sector micro-enterprises and small enterprises by 2025. PMMKSSY, through NFDP, will also facilitate access and incentivize uptake of institutional credit, purchase of aquaculture insurance, strengthen cooperatives to become FFPOs, adoption of traceability, performance grant for adoption of practices that will bring in value chain efficiencies and safety and quality assurance and job creation, the secretary added. A group of people standing around a drone flying description automatically generated. The secretary urged the ICAR-CIFRI and other stakeholders to take steps for making these drone-based applications reach to the fish farmers and ensure that all can have access to it. He also asked the Fisheries Department to document all these valuable demonstrations and send to the ministry so that they can be utilized for creating awareness among the fish farmers across the country.